Hello, well, welcome. This is, I think, lesson 7. Lesson 7, your online resume. And the original assignment was to recreate this and then create your own, but you're just going to need to create your own online resume, including the 5 different pages. So here's an example of President Obama's. So we have a home page, a personal background page, work experience activities, career goals, and contact information. So you're going to need to have these 5 pages that all link together so I can get to any page no matter which one I'm on. And a couple other things. This black line that goes straight across, that's called a horizontal rule, right? These little pictures or buttons are called menu buttons, and we'll learn how to create those later on this week. So yeah, you're basically taking whatever you would have on your resume and plugging it into these 5 different pages. So let's go ahead and fill out your note sheet. Alright, so inserting a horizontal rule, and like I showed you on here, this straight black line is a horizontal rule. And a horizontal rule basically just breaks up the page so you don't have to see it. So horizontal rule is HR. And that will start a horizontal rule for you, and then you don't have to close it or anything. It's just a single code. The width would be how far across the page it goes. So if you are going to have it go all the way across, you would do width equals, and again you can do this in a percentage or a pixel value. Okay. And now the next thing is changing the size. So the size is the thickness, just like you would in pixels or any text. So size equals a number value. Now if you take out the shade part, which this code is no shade, if you just don't enter that in the code, then it'll be like a box, like a drawn box. But if you write no shade, then it'll change it to whatever color that you want it to be. So if you're going to use a horizontal rule, the code for this one, like on the web page, would be like horizontal rule width equals 100%, size equals, I'm not sure what the size is, but we'll guess 6, no shade, color equals, and then whatever color you want it to be. Okay, and that would be how you'd insert a horizontal rule. Then when you go to the contact information page, there's, for Mr. Obama, you can go to the website or whatever, or you can email him. So you could email him directly at like obama.com. When you click the email link, like Microsoft Outlook should pop up. But to show you how to do this mail to hyperlink, it's the same thing. href hyperlink reference is equal to mail to, and then the email address would go here at email.com. So then you just put the email in there, and what it does is it starts the mail. See how here I clicked on Barack Obama, it says Barack at obama.com. Now if you don't have an email address, you can make one up, or you can use your school email, but I can help you with that. And then make sure that you close your hyperlink. Oops, I lost my thing. That you close your hyperlink after you put it around whatever you're linking. Now what you're going to do with this web page is you're hyperlinking all the pages that you're making. So you're going to link your personal background to your work experience, and everything's going to link up. So in order to hyperlink to a page made, you're going to go href hyperlink reference equals, and then whatever you name that page, name of page .html. And this will link all your pages together. So now to do this assignment, the best way to do this assignment is to create one page without any information, just your title, your 2 horizontal rules, and your menu buttons. And then save it 5 different times. So you're going to want to save it as home.html, personal background, or you can shorten it like I did, h.html, pb.html, wea.html, and in this template you want to link all the pages up. Okay, so you want to link them all up, and then you're going to save it 5 different times so that you don't have to keep linking all these. And remember, you're hyperlinking this just like a picture. Anyway, good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.